Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to today's video and a little bit of an epic story to tell. So stay tuned, enjoy and let me know what you think. So some of you may or may not know what's happened. So we had a massive Scotland trip planned, and I set out yesterday morning at about 7 o'clock to go and collect my mate of mine, Peter Phelps. And on my way there, I squirreled my bike, which is a new code word for putting in the back of another vehicle. So what's happened was a squirrel that ran in front of the car in front of me, and basically they slammed on their anchors and did an emergency brake to miss the squirrel, and this was on a main road, and obviously the bike doesn't stop as quick as another bike, and I ended up in the back of it. So ended up doing my leg in and my back a bit and whatever the case is. So no bike, but being the persistent bugger that I am and not giving up, I decided to forget going to hospital. Went home, jumped in the car, drove up to Edinburgh, which we're now at Alba Customs, one of my favorite places in the world to visit outside of the Highlands. And so we are now trying to organize another bike because it is such a beautiful day, and well, the whole weekend is meant to be absolutely awesome, which is a very much a rarity. So still trying to make a plan, never give up, never say no. But we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys posted and let me know what you guys think. Right everyone, so this just happened. Unfortunately, my trip to Scotland has been cut short within the first 3-4 miles because I've just had an accident, so unfortunately I won't be able to make it. I'm okay, I think my leg might be a bit fractured or something. It's not feeling good. I've hit it a bit on the road, but have a little squiz at my bike. That's the results, and I think that's probably going to be a write-off because it's not fantastic. Trying to get it. So, what can you do? Unfortunately, the worst part of all this is I'm letting my mate down, Mr. Phelps. So, anyway, I'll keep you guys updated. I just thought I'd let everyone know. Hey guys, just a bit of an update. I first of all wanted to say just thank you to everyone for the outpouring of support. I really appreciate it. It's quite humbling. But yeah, otherwise I'm okay. My leg, back and wrist is actually quite banged up. I'm still a bit worried about my leg, but I can't face sitting in the hospital all day. So I've decided to leave that for next week. So I've gone up to Scotland now, and I'm here. I'm going to try and loan a bike and get around and see what I can do, but I'm not holding up much hope. But anyway, I'm here making the most of it. I think the bike might be a write-off just because of the forks being bent in, and that's what sort of happens. Anyway, just a quick update. We'll send some pictures and stuff later, but all okay. Just a bit sore. My leg's a bit numb on the side. It's just above the knee where I hit my leg on the handlebars on the right hand side with the impact. So that's where that happened. So it was actually really lucky that I didn't actually go over the top of everything. And really, I think probably was only just because of the fact that we were going so slow. I think we were doing about 40 miles an hour. So basically the car in front of me slammed on their brakes as an emergency stop on a main road to avoid a squirrel. I'm glad to report the squirrel is okay, but that's about it. Anyway, thanks very much guys, really appreciate it. Speak to you soon. Cheers, bye.